Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Me and my team are going to present about practical exercise 2 for the course DFT 40263, and our lecturer name is Encik Saiful Baharin bin Hairuddin. Now I'm going to introduce my team member. My name is Umi Salama Amalinda binti Abdul Rahim, matrix number 01DDT20F1090.
My name is Nurifa binti Zaidi and my matrix number 01DDT20F1008.
My name is Waidi Usna binti Asnan. My metric number 01DDT20F1071.
I'm Danisha Bashir Then and my matrix number is 01DDT20F1068.
Okay, now this is the part content that we present. And first, we can explain about difference between VM and emulator. Second, demonstrate how to install both VM and emulator. And last, which one is more preferred for you as a developer. Okay, next, this is a difference between VM and emulator. VM is virtual machine that make use of a CPU self-virtualization to whatever extent it exists to provide a virtualized interface to the real hardware. Also, VM connected to hardware, they have capabilities related to the hardware device that we use to create the virtual machine. Okay, for emulator emulate hardware without relying on the CPU being able to run code directly and redirect some operation to hypervisor controlling the virtual container. Also, emulator just allows us to run software from different device on our computer and it has nothing to do with computer hardware. And next, I will pass to Ifa to continue how to install virtual machine.
I'm going to show you how to install the virtual machine. The virtual machine that we use, which is VirtualBox by Oracle. So as you can see here, I already search first, which is VirtualBox, and go to the website over here and click go to download. Okay, as you can see here, this is the interface that show you download VirtualBox, and it have a many options. Have a Windows host, OS host, Linux, Solaris, and iOS. So that the VirtualBox that I use, which is from Windows host. Just click Windows host over here, and it will downloading the host. So as you can see here, now VirtualBox are downloading. So just wait a few minutes. After done downloading the VirtualBox, now click open file at display. Now as you can see here, the have a pop-up that we have to set up. So just click next and choose any modifying. So I click repair, and wait for a few minutes for repairing. Finish, and finally the VirtualBox already set up. So as you can see over here, this is a pop-up that shown Oracle VirtualBox Manager that have a tools menu and preference that we can preference that show you have a general input, update, language that we use, display, network, extension and proxy, have import, any import that we have to apply in this virtual, and export that that you have to export any virtual that use, and click new for new project, and finally add new file if you want to include this virtual in this virtual machine, and have a menu bar and help us to use this application. So that's it from me for explaining about how to installing the VirtualBox or and exploring about this software. Now I'm gonna pass to Danisha Warchindi.
Thank you, Norifa. Now I will demonstrate on how to install BlueStacks emulator. So I'll choose BlueStacks 10 and click download button. BlueStack has been downloaded. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So we have to click yes. Now we have to click install now. So this downloading process will take a few minutes, so we have to wait for a while. Okay. Now, the page you are viewing now is the home page of the BlueStack. Okay. I will show on how to use this BlueStack. So first, you have to choose any app. So now I'll choose Google Play Store. Now you need to sign in into the enter your email here. If you are new to Google or email address, and then you should click next. Then enter your password. Okay, next you have to click on the terms and conditions applied. So I'll click I agree button. Right, this is the Google Play app. So there are many games are available here. You can choose any one from it. So now maybe I will choose Candy Crush Saga. Then you have to click install. Alright, the Candy Crush Saga Games app is installed. And yeah, this is the Candy Crush Saga. So that's all from me. Now I will pass to Uni to explain about the preferable app software.
Thank you, Danisha. Now I'm going to explain to you guys about the question, which one is more preferable for you as a developer? So the answer is emulator for me. The reason is, as it is easier to understand and use, which mean emulator is more beginner friendly, because we know sometimes that app developer, especially for Android application, sometimes they are do not have IT background. They do not learn IT, so it is easier for to use emulator because emulator is beginner friendly. If we were to compare to virtual machine requires understanding of internal working of the computer for it to be set up, how the CPU works, and so on. And emulator also, most of the emulator do not need other program or plug-in to be installed along with it for it to be usable. So that is all from us. Thank you.